How to remove Ask Meta AI on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to remove Ask Meta AI on your WhatsApp account. So first of all, in order to remove your Ask Meta AI on WhatsApp, you need to make sure that you're running the latest version of the WhatsApp in your mobile device. So in order to check that, just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that on the search bar just simply search for WhatsApp. And over here, just simply check whether there is an update pending regarding your WhatsApp or not. Since you can see that I don't have any update pending in my WhatsApp account as of now. So just simply open the WhatsApp in your device. And after that, as you can see that the Meta AI version has not been updated in my WhatsApp account as of now. But if you have Meta AI version updated in your WhatsApp account, you will be able to see the Meta icon right on your chat icon itself. And in order to remove it, you just need to simply delete the Meta AI chat thread that appears in the app, and this will remove the conversation and remove it from your contact list, and it will disable all the AI functioning in the Meta AI that has been in your WhatsApp till date. So this will also make the AI function relatively easy to ignore for you. So just simply delete the Meta AI chat thread that appear in the app itself, and you will be able to remove it quite simply. So this is basically how you will be able to remove Ask Meta AI on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.